Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Rara Sajang Pratiwi from Accounting Study Program with NPM 2341200A. Here, I want to explain about capital market and the development of the capital market in Indonesia. Okay, how the capital market works? The capital market is a financial market where long-term securities such as stock and bond are issued and traded between investors and companies. The capital market serves as a bridge between parties who need funds, companies or governments, and parties who have access fund investors. Parties involved in the capital market, several institutions and participants play important roles in the capital market. The first issuers, companies that issue securities to raise funds. The second, investor, individual or institution that invest funds in securities to earn return. The third, broker or securities company, intermediation that facilitate buying and selling transaction. The fourth, stock exchange, an organized market where securities are traded. And the last, regulator and supporting institution that supervise and support market operation. In Indonesia, the main regulator is Otoritas Jasa Keuangan and the stock exchange is Indonesian Stock Exchange. Process of capital market transaction. The first, companies issue security stock the primary market. The second, investors purchase these securities. The third, after issuances, securities can be traded in the secondary market. And the last, transactions are conducted through broker and recorded by the stock exchange system. Next is development of the capital market in Indonesia. Early development. Capital market in Indonesia has experienced several stages of development. In 1912, the capital market was first introduced during the Dutch colonial period, and in 1977, the Indonesian government reactivated the capital market to encourage investment and economic growth. Modern development. The Indonesian capital market has grown significantly due to the first, regulatory reform, the second, technological developments, the third, increasing number of investors, the fourth and the last, growth of listed companies. The establishment of Indonesian Stock Exchange took the merger of the Jakarta Stock Exchange and Surabaya Stock Exchange in 2007 also strengthened the market structure. Current trend. Today the capital market in Indonesia continue to grow with the first, increased digital investor, the second, digital trading platform, and the last, expansion of financial products such as mutual fund and derivatives. These developments support economic growth and financial inclusion in Indonesia. And next is margin trading. Margin trading is a trading activity where investors buy securities by borrowing funds from a brokerage firm. This allows investors to purchase more securities than they could with their own fund alone. How margin trading works. The first, an investor opens a margin account with a brokerage firm. The second, the investor deposits a certain amount of capital as collateral. The third, the broker lends additional funds and purchases securities. And the last, profit and losses are calculated based on the total investment. Expected of margin trading, increased potential return, allow investor to control their investment position, profit geared flexibility in the trading strategies, risks of margin trading, higher financial risks, potential of larger losers, and possibility of margin calls when where investor must add funds if the investment value falls. Therefore, margin trading is generally recommended for experienced investors who understand market risks. Okay, that is I can explain. If there is mistake, I'm so sorry, and thank you very much for your nice attention. And finally I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.